SmartShare is a software that allows you to easily transfer photos between your PC and phone. This feature is only available on Lenovo Aura Edition imagined with Intel devices. SmartShare is available on Android and iOS devices. First, you will need to download the Intel Unison app on your PC and phone. On the main screen, click Add your phone. Scan the QR code and follow the steps to connect your phone. You will need to select your permissions to allow the app to work. After scanning the QR code, confirm the codes displayed on your PC and phone. If the codes are the same, click the Confirm button on your PC. You will be notified if the pairing is successful. On the Let's Get Started screen, click Manage Photos. On the top right of the screen, click the SmartShare button to see if it's ready. When it's ready, you can start to use the SmartShare function. To open SmartShare, press the F11 key. Once you are fully connected, you can drag and drop photos from the SmartShare screen to your Windows Explorer, desktop, and other applications. You can only drag one photo from your phone to your PC at a time, but you can drag up to 45 photos from your PC to your phone. If you would like to use the Tap to Share option with your phone, you will need to connect it to your PC using Bluetooth. In your Windows settings, navigate to Bluetooth and Devices. Click Add Device and select your phone from the list of available devices. A Bluetooth pairing code will appear on your phone and PC. When pairing is complete, it displays a success screen on your PC. Click the SmartShare icon at the top right corner and select Show Me How under the Open with Phone Tap option. On the next screen, click the Pair button. You should now see the Open with Phone Tap option has changed to Available. Now your phone and Lenovo Aura Edition imagined with Intel device are connected with SmartShare. For more information on your Lenovo devices, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or visit pcsupport.lenovo.com.